Today is December 27th. I am here in SoCal at my community garden. I am going to harvest ginger today, so I thought I would show you how that goes. This is my ginger patch here. I tried to plant a pretty big patch because sometimes ginger is very unpredictable. Don't know what kind of size you're gonna get. So how do you know when it's time to harvest ginger? When it starts looking mostly brown. When the leaves start turning brown like this, you know it's time to start the harvesting process. So these are mostly brown, over 50%, so I'm gonna harvest it here. And these are my tools. Nothing complicated. So I'm gonna start at this end because this has the most amount of brown. And let's see what presents we get from Mother Nature. So we're gonna go in here. Okay, so here we are at the bottom here, and some of the leaves have already started to fall. From my previous videos, you know, I like to just dig around because, oh, look, it's a ginger already. This is exactly why I don't use a shovel, because, not that I used one here, but I feel like there's more likelihood of cutting the ginger. So, let's keep going. So we just use old pickaxe method to see where the ginger is coming out of the ground. Hoping for some really nice sized ginger this year. I find that the bigger the ginger is, the better it is when it comes to drying, because eventually the ginger just kind of shrivels up as it dries, and it seems like you don't have much ginger. So I'm hoping for a good ginger here. Trying not to break anything, because I think when it stays together in a bigger piece and dries, it loses less mass. So that's where I am going. Alright, so I'm just going to continue digging. I'll be throwing segments here. I'm going to do this might be a segment, but just pull it like this. Alright, so I'm gonna stop digging and just try to pull it out from the root ball here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, pretty nice sized ginger. It's pretty good. Another one. Here's another one. This is like the winner. Definitely the winner. And, see that little worm guy here. We'll throw him back in. So eventually they start to decompose because the worms and things get into it. So put this guy back. And it's time to go in with the hand for this piece right here. Alright. dig out the sides. Sometimes when you pull it by the leaves on the top, you can get the whole thing out, but if I had done a better job digging around, I think it would have come out, but because some of the leaves were already fallen off, I just didn't have enough to get all of the ginger out. But here it is. Just dig it out slowly. Try not to damage it. Getting under the root ball is like a really good way to loosen it. So wait for it, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of present we got here. Oh wow, it goes all the way back there, that's cool. Let's see. Yeah, and I just put the shovel in there, I wouldn't have caught that, but let's see if it goes in any deeper. Alright, I'm trying to do this one-handed. If the camera goes off every now and then, that's doing my best. Okay. So, wow, this is a nice piece of ginger right here. Oh my god. This might be the winner. Right here. It was one piece, but it broke off. And I was pretty well situated in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this year's ginger. They're a nice size too. Oh my god. This ginger tastes so amazing. So, I will dig the rest out. Okay, so here I wanted to show you guys the other ginger I just dug out, because it's always exciting to see what's oh no, so it broke off there, so let's get this little piece out. That's nice. And wait for it. Oh, see, that was a bad pull, really bad. So I'm gonna have to dig around this one here. Oops. Good. It just got. Oh man. Oh. It's better to pull it out one big piece, isn't it? Than seeing it in small pieces like this. I know. Let's dig and see if there's any that's left over here for us. Some roots. Okay. That one still good. Alright. So let's go and dig up the next section here. Okay, I dug out the next section here. Let's see what this one gets. Alrighty guys. Let's see. Here we go. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is what you want to see. A nice big ginger section. Oh wow. This is so good. Look at that. Wow. This ginger looks so good. Oh wow, this was a wonderful section right here. Look at that. A couple pieces left over. Can't even smell it in the ground. It's kind of so amazing. And we don't leave any ginger behind, so I'm gonna dig to see what else is here. Oh, got a little root. Oh, okay, that's fine. That one, and here's the next section right here. Let's see what this section is gonna give. Alright, here we go. That's good. Oh my god. I mean, this is organic ginger right here. This is as good as it gets. So I got more to go. So I'm gonna dig this out and show you the results. Alrighty, so here's the next segment of ginger. Let's see what we get here. Oh wow. Now that is what I'm talking about. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful piece of ginger right there. Oh. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Alright, we still got a little more to go. So this is a pretty good harvest for this year. Got a lot of ginger, and this is the best harvest I've ever had so far. Some of the pieces were really massive. This one was really nice. I will clean this up and show you the final ginger and what it looks like. Alright everybody, here it is. I washed it up so you can see what it looks like. The harvest was pretty amazing. You can see this is the older piece of ginger right here. And it started to grow entirely new piece. So yeah, just break that part off and I don't know, maybe it'll regrow. I'm gonna try to regrow it. See if another one of these will regrow, and you can get double growth out of one piece of ginger. It's possible, but the star of the show is all this ginger right here. So that's my taro I dug up. Check out my video about that. And I will cut off all these leaves here. And this is way more ginger than I can eat. I'm hoping that I can store a lot of it, because dried up. A lot of people like it for the winter and some of the immune boosting properties of ginger. So can't go wrong with it. This must be about 5 pounds or so of ginger. Hope you liked the video, and now you can see what is possible. And if you have any questions, I will do my best to answer them. Otherwise, happy growing. This I had to show because this is my biggest piece of ginger I've ever grown, and I'm so happy and proud of it that it almost makes it hard to cut. And this was the second biggest one that I'm proud of. It looks just as big. It had a nice growth. It grew horizontally. And it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shoots out of it. This one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you see about 10 shoots out of a plant, you can assume that it's a pretty good size and you will be happy. Either way, 1 shoot or 10 shoots, it's still a good, healthy, amazing ginger. Till next time.